How to reduce video file size on MacBook. So here I have a video. Select, click right, and then click on the get info, and you will see the video file size is around 4.36 GB. Now let's double click on the video. Go to the file, and here in the bottom you will see option for export as. Since the video was recorded with 4K, we have 3 alternative options in which we can export. So let's select 480 pixel size. A new window will pop up which will ask you to export as. So give your file name, and you can also choose the directory and click on save. Since I have already done this video exporting thing, so I will stop this process over here and I will directly walk you through. So here is another video which was exported earlier. Now if you will see, the video quality has reduced. So this one is 4K, whereas this one is with 480 pixel. But the interesting part is, if you click on the info, get info, you will see this file size is 1.27 GB, which was earlier 4.36 GB. So this is the way how you can reduce the video file size on MacBook from 4 GB to approximately 1 GB. I hope through this video you learn how to do that one, and if you like it, do share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.